It is day 3. Give it up, give it up, give it up. And tonight is a island style panna cotta. So let's start with our pineapple. So we slice these thin. Pineapple here. Just add sugar until the ancestors say stop. Which year was Grace food found? I didn't ask when you're born. I didn't ask when you're born. Which one? You got it. My book actually is 100 recipes and stories, sharing my journey, of course. Then I'm going to use my coconut milk. And then all I need to do now, that's okay, is you use a mold or something and you pour it in the fridge, like this, like so. Which year did I publish my book? Which year did I publish my cookbook? Jaja. You garnish up very nicely. Take some coconut on top. And this is basically it. But you'll end up with something more beautiful like this. And that is it for my presentation today. Thank you all so much for coming out. Give it up one more time for Jamaica. Give it up. Thank you.